How to add any products on Amazon to your list, easy and fast. So first then choose any product right here. For example, I'm gonna choose this headphones right here. Now if you want to add these to your list, one of your lists, just go down here, down, and click add to list and choose your list, and this is my list. And you can also create a list from here and create a name and click add to, easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because this will help me a lot. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.